Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a really quick, super quick hairstyle using this kinky braiding hair right here. Okay, with that said, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so here is my hair. Look at that, beautiful, ready to be styled. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going in with my DIY shea butter cream, and I'm going to be applying this shea butter cream on my hair first before any other thing. So right here, I'm going ahead to apply the shea butter cream. So next, I'm going to be brushing my hair towards the front using my fingers. I'm not going to be combing my hair for this hairstyle. So right here, I'm just pushing my hair towards the front so that way I can put it into a high ponytail. So right now I'm just going in to put the hair into a ponytail. Okay, so I'm going to be turning this into a bun. So, but first, I'm going to be giving the bun a little bit of volume using this braiding hair right here. This coily braiding hair. I'm going to be wrapping this hair around the roots of the ponytail. So right now, I'm going ahead to wrap the hair, the braiding hair around the roots of the ponytail. So this will help to give the bun volume. So like I said, I'm not going to be brushing out my hair. I'm not going to be combing out my hair. So I'm just going to be putting it into a high puff bun. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going ahead to spread out my hair. So you can see right here, I'm going to be taking another scrunchie and I'm going to be putting that on the hair to keep it in place to create the bun. So as you can see right here, I'm going ahead to adjust the hair. Is in place. Look at that. Okay, so moving on to the next step, the fun part of this hairstyle is this kinky braiding hair. So you will need a braiding hair with the same texture with your hair. So you can see right here, perfect. So I'm going to be creating the front bangs using this kinky braiding hair, and to do that I'm using a bobby pin. As you can see right here, I fold the hair. So now I'm going ahead to insert the bobby pin at the folded point, and I push the bobby pin all the way to make sure the hair is properly secured on the bobby pin. So right here I'm going ahead to fluff out the hair a little bit. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to be pinning this hair down into the roots of the bun, as you can see right here. Just going ahead to secure it in place. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to be fluffing out the bangs in front, and also I'm going to be trimming it. So right here, working on the middle section, as you can see right now. So going in with the scissors, I'm going to do a little cut. Just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest. Okay, so I'm done cutting the hair. So right now I'm just going ahead to fluff it out and also mold it to how I want it to look. So here is the final result. Look at this. Look at this right here. Look at that. That is just beautiful. It is beautiful. Love it. Something different. I love it. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you find the video helpful, and also hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so whenever I post a new video you will get notified. If you push the notification button you will get notified, so go ahead, hit the notification button. Okay. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.